Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Swipe Keyboard. Swipe typing, also known as glide typing, is a fantastic way to type faster and more efficiently on your mobile device. Instead of tapping each letter individually, you simply slide your finger from one letter to the next, forming words with a continuous motion. This can boost your typing speed by up to 30%, making communication much quicker and smoother. To begin, you'll need to activate the swipe feature on your device. First, navigate to your phone's main settings menu. From there, locate and tap on System or General Management, then select Languages and Input. Next, choose Virtual Keyboard and select your preferred keyboard, such as Gboard or Swift Key. Within its settings, you should find an option like Glide Typing or Swipe Input to toggle on. It's a simple process that takes less than 1 minute. Mastering swipe typing is all about smooth, continuous motion. Keep your finger on the screen as you glide from one letter to the next, only lifting it once you've finished an entire word. Don't worry about being perfectly precise. The keyboard's prediction engine is quite smart. Start by practicing with everyday words, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your speed and accuracy within just a few days. Consistency is key to becoming a proficient swipe typist. Beyond the basics, you can further enhance your swipe typing experience. Dive into your keyboard settings to explore features like autocorrection, which can fix minor errors, and word prediction, which suggests words as you type. Many keyboards also allow you to customize themes and layouts, offering dozens of options to personalize your typing interface. You can even add unique words to a personal dictionary, ensuring your specific vocabulary is recognized. These small adjustments can make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.